One of the most common complaints we hear from our business customers in dealing with their PCs on a daily basis is an issue of performance. Over time, the PCs tend to slow down, and they wonder what it is that's causing the PCs to all of a sudden get so slow. Most of the time, they think it has something to do with the hardware, and they question whether or not they should go out and buy a new computer. Most of the time, however, the problem has to do with software. It's either a Windows issue or a software issue, and a lot of that can be cleaned up. But one of the things that we can do on a Windows PC, whether it's an XP machine or Windows Vista or Windows 7, is use what we call the defragging tool. Over time, a hard drive will begin the process of getting its data splattered all over the drive, and it takes a lot longer for the computer to reassemble that data as it's putting it back together when you need it. So what we do is we go through and use the defrag tool within Windows to clean that up. And you can access that by going to your Start menu, clicking on the All Programs or the Programs option, going to Accessories, to System Tools, and to Disk Defragmenter. Now this is the Windows Disk Defragmenter that's built into the system. I prefer to use a third-party tool. There's actually a number of them out there, but one of the ones that we use is called Defraggler. I'm going to open up Defraggler here. And you'll notice that it's fairly similar in terms of its layout and its look. The primary thing that you're going to see in either utility is a list of the available drives or partitions that you have on your machine. And it will tell you a little bit about those drives and how big they are, how much of the space is being used, and how much is available. More often than not, the C drive is our system drive. That's the drive that's typically causing us most of the problem. So we want to click on the C drive and then click on the Analyze button near the bottom, and it will go through a process of examining the drive and determining exactly what's on there and what needs to be defragmented. Now you'll notice on my machine I've got 43% fragmentation of the files that are on my machine, and I defrag my machine roughly once a month. So more machines that haven't had this done are going to be a lot more fragmented than this. Once you've done that, you just simply click on the defrag button and let it do its thing. Now again, one of the reasons that I like to use Defraggler is that it allows me to do this process while I'm doing something else. I can continue to check my email, browse the internet, type documents in Word, whatever it is that I'm doing, I can continue to use my computer while this process is going on. Whereas the Windows System Defragmenter will require exclusive access to your drive, and that means you're going to have to walk away and leave your PC for a while. So again, this is just a way in which you can speed up your performance. Once you run through this process, you're going to find that your computer boots up faster and runs much quicker. If your business could use a PC tune-up, give us a call at 209-368-7700 and we'll schedule a free technology assessment for you. I'm Evan Stone, Chief Technology Officer for Network Management Solutions.